Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will start the last remaining topic of chapter number 5. The topic is tourism. Tourism means people traveling for fun and entertainment to a distant place. When someone goes anywhere to spend vacation, this is an example of tourism. It includes sightseeing and camping, etc. It may be international or within the traveler's country. These travelers are known as tourists, and the places visited by the tourists are called tourist destinations. There are many advantages of tourism. One of them is economic benefits for countries. When large number of people visit a country, they spend money there, which increases the economy of a country. The tourists spend money on transport, airline, hotels, restaurants, car rental, shopping, etc. Students, now we will see tourism industry in the Muslim world. Tourism is a growing and developing industry in the Muslim world. It is because of the religious and historical background and natural scenic beauty. The tourism industry of the following Muslim countries is discussed in your textbook. First, we will look at the tourism industry in United Arab Emirates. UAE is a federation of 7 states. These states are Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Khawain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Fujairah. Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE and is also a cultural center. Dubai is one of the oil producing states known as Gulf states. It is a shopper paradise. Tourists come here for the annual shopping festival. Desert safari is an attraction for people who enjoy adventure. Here, people enjoy quad biking, camel ride, jeep drive on sand dune. Next country is Malaysia. Malaysia is famous because of its scenic beauty and culture. It is also famous for Malay cuisine, meaning Malaysian style of cooking based on its cultural ingredients. There are also some natural wonders to be seen here. In Langkawi, there are Tamuran Falls. They are the prettiest waterfall in Malaysia. The famous caves in Sarawak are Nia Caves, which are very big. On the island of Sabah, the world's biggest flower is found, which blooms only for a day. This flower is known as Rafflesia. Indonesia is also a favorite destination for tourists. It is a beautiful country with lush green landscapes and beautiful beaches. The island of Bali is the most famous spot among the tourists. It is home to an ancient culture that is known for its warm hospitality. The fine batik attracts tourists, which are wax printed fabrics in silk and cotton. Now, come to Turkey. Turkey has many attractions for tourists. The fine crafted goods, historical sites, mountain resorts, and beaches on the Black Sea are famous. Istanbul is a favorite spot for tourists traveling to and from Europe and Asia. Pakistan. The tourism industry in our homeland, Pakistan is also developing, but it needs to develop more facilities. Pakistan is famous for the beauty of its northern areas. The highest pass in the world is Khunjrab, which links Pakistan to China. The Karakoram range and the Khyber Pass are also historically famous. Because of their ancient civilization, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Taxila are attraction for visitors. The last topic of the chapter is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is not a tourist spot. It is visited by many people due to its religious importance. Millions of Muslims visit Mecca and Medina every year. The Kaaba in Mecca is visited by pilgrims to perform Hajj and Umrah. The pilgrims also visit the Masjid Nabawi in Medina. Annually, around 5 million pilgrims visit these cities via Jeddah. Students, our lecture ends here. Do question and activities from page number 30. Thank you.